All right, welcome back to the channel. This is Dave, also known as Loving Them Trains. And you guessed it, I'm back at another building out here in West Atlanta, Douglasville, to look at a couple of buildings. We actually have sent in a letter of intent for another building, but nothing is confirmed, so the search continues. So this one is two structures, one smaller one over there, which is about 1,200 square feet. And then this main building right here is actually 4,500 square feet. So a little bit closer to what we are looking for. And the target was 5,000 square feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in and maybe meet up with Jared. All right, so the realtor has already told us that this first section right here, the original section is about 2,400 square feet. And then the owner, when they moved in several years ago, actually added an addition, which makes the whole area 4,800. So I will say it's clean. It's like we got a bathroom over here in the back right corner of the main building, or the original building, I should say. All right, we got a toilet. Looks like the flooring is pretty updated. Okay, just another view of the main section. And there's a ceiling. We got a peaked ceiling, which is always good. Enter the addition, entering the addition here. Let me go here, let me not skip this. Looks like maybe kind of an office area. Little small kitchen area, little office area there. Another office. And this looks like office number 3. And you got 3 small offices here. And then we're gonna go back out here to the warehouse.
You get your pictures and get mine.
Yeah. So as I said, this is the additional.
Interesting shape of this building.
Yeah.
Apparently there's septic systems out there. So
It's out there, so that's why they had to stop right here. Okay.
I'm guessing, yeah.
So Kim was just saying that the shape of the building is a little different because there's a septic area toward the right.
I don't think they don't have any ductwork or anything. But
Actually they do. They have something over here. Yeah, there was a big unit outside there.
All right, so it looks like maybe this is used as storage.
it must be because that's what they
Steps to the little mezzanine up there. Storage, a little work area, workbench area in there. So this is about another 2,400 square feet back in this section.
Yeah, I think here's a pretty close outline of the property.
All right. So as you saw from the entrance, this is like a pool company, and he's not going out of business. He just wants to move further west, closer to Alabama. All right, now we are on what would be the right side of the building. Jared tells me that the septic tank is right here, underground, of course. So one thing we want to find out, it looks like I'm seeing a trailer, but somebody we spoke with that's part of our team per se, kind of the lawyer that gets us information as far as zoning, said that we probably would need to go to the county to see about storing trailers, but looks like that might be taken care of, but we'll still do our part. I don't know what these mounds of dirt are. Maybe they were trying to extend some more land, but he says there's quite a bit of land for us in the back with all these monstrous trees, that our property line goes pretty far back. Here's the outside of the building on the right side. All right, so what we'll probably do now is go next door to the smaller building, see what's going on over there. Looks like Ken already beat me to the back here. Hope there are no surprises. Air conditioning unit there. A little storage shed. Looks like the parking lot comes all the way around here as far as the pavement. Big trailers. Mounds of dirt on this side again. And here's the left side of the building. All right. We were looking at these mounds of dirt, trying to figure out what exactly this is. Could be expanding. Maybe when they built this extension, they pushed the mounds of dirt back here. So it's something to find out, definitely. All right, we're gonna take a look in the smaller building and see what's going on there. It's the second building, not very large. Jaron says it's about 1,000 to 1,200 square feet. And it's hard to kind of get the perception with the tires in the way. But we see some machinery here. As we said, he does tire work. Might be needing it myself really quick, to be honest with you. It's getting about that time. So, okay, there's the air. It's very nice in here as far as the temperature, because there is an air conditioning unit. You know, I mostly do video.
We would be looking for a tenant anyway, so probably we would go ahead.
It's always nice to know you already have one.
Yes. Yes, indeed.
It looks like I know you. You've been here before, right?
I've never been here.
No.
Let's see, we've got drop ceilings, drop tiles.
Now you say that I want to sell it to them.
Yeah, that's what we're
Few
told. so-
water spots.
My plan is just to have the demarcation by this place.
So this building also has a restroom. Just enough. Got a little sink there and a toilet. The basics. Flooring, it's not too bad. All right, so here's the outside, the parking lot on the smaller building. Obviously more space on this side. Park here. So that might draw some people, some children, some teenagers. And this is the overall view of both buildings. So I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough as I always do in these videos. Sorry about all the traffic in the background, but we'll take this back to the committee and discuss it. We'll see where we're at with it. But this is Dave, also known as Loving Them Trains. And until next time, later, y'all.